Okay, so there's the message. You guys asked for this, so you guys are gonna get it. So this is the entirety of my setup as a content creator with around 11,000 subs, which is wild. But this is what I used to film, and I'm just gonna kind of tour through everything and I guess go through everything that I have. Also, this is my hand. Hello. All right, so I guess just to start the tour, I guess I'm just gonna go through everything I have and just kind of yap about it. So first off, over here, we got a camera. This is a Logitech C920 webcam. I never use this webcam, but it does look pretty cool. Over here, we got my computer, which we got DaVinci Resolve on right now because I'm editing a video. This goes up to 240 hertz, although I run it at 120. I run all these at 120 because otherwise they would crash and burn. This is my third monitor over here, 120 hertz, very cool. That's a lamp. That's my sub goal. I haven't updated that in a minute because we flew past 8,000 and it's crazy. Down here we got some cool stuff. We got a little plant. It's a little plant. It's crazy. We also got this little crystal, I guess, duck. My grandmother gave me this. Also gave this one. He's just hiding in the corner. Right here, we got the Stream Deck, which I don't use because I uninstalled the driver and I need to reinstall it. We got the SteelSeries Apex 3 keyboard, which is very peak. It sounds good. Here, I'll give you guys a quick typing test. So this is the space bar. So tough, normal keys. It's so tough. We got the mouse. This is the Logitech G305 mouse. Yeah, I don't know, it's a mouse, it works. This mouse pad I got for $10 off Amazon. It's really good. It's just a desk mat. I'll try and link all the stuff I use in the description, by the way, but bear with me, that might take a bit. And then over here, we got a hot chocolate that I was having while I was editing, but then I decided to film this, so we're filming it. We got an Xbox Series S controller, which I use for, I guess just making videos with a controller. We got a lamp over here. I guess I could turn it on, but it's like really bright. Lamp. We also got these really sick what are they called, nanoleaf panels. They look really cool. I wouldn't recommend buying them, but they look really sick. All right, then moving on over here, we got the Wii U, and we also have a Nintendo Switch 2 with like a clear case on it because I just like the way it looks. It's all nice and reflective, which looks really cool. And then I guess some of the other stuff, I have a huge drawer of random stuff that we're not even gonna go through. But I guess we can start off with this. This is the mod mic that I was sent by Andline Audio, which I was sponsored by. It works really well. It's a cool microphone. I guess while we're on the subject of audio stuff, these are my Beats headphones. I use them for basically everything. And the cool part about them is I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but I can clip the microphone on like that, and it kind of clips on, and then I just have the microphone on the headphones. This is really nice. But when I'm too lazy to do that, I just swing this over. This is my Razer Siren V2. It's an okay microphone, but I put a lot of filters on this. It works really well. It's very cool. I guess moving on down to the atrocious cable management. We got a Wiimote here. My cable management, which I'd say looks pretty clean. Don't mind all that, but this stuff looks really clean. We have the PC down here. Here are all the specs on it. It's very nice. Do I just like bring stuff over that like I guess I have in my setup that I guess I could show? We should do that. Boom, wowsy, jump cut. We're now on the other side of the setup, and I'm showing some stuff that I have on my wall that I think is pretty cool. Starting off all the way up here, we have a sword from Sword Art Online, along with the Lego Sakurai tree, because I think it looks really cool. Amiibo, it's the Twilight Princess one with Wolflink and Midna. Looks very fire. Switch 2 box, one of my index base stations, the other one's over there. A really cool Halo 2 figurine. I forget where I got this, but it is sick. We also got some Joy-Cons. This is a TV, I punched it, so like, if I try and pull this part out, it like makes like a weird creaking noise. I don't know if it went through, but moving down here to the shelves, we got a classic GameCube, 2 memory cards with a purple controller, and then we got some of my Switch games. This is like my full Switch library. It's really tiny. A lot of my stuff's digital. And then some DS games. Moving down more retro stuff. Game Boy Advance SP, old Switch games, PS1 retro. I need to use this more. My GameCube and Wii collection, it's growing. And since I know a lot of you guys are gonna be asking about my VR gear, first off, we got the valveindex. This is my main headset. This is what I use for most of my content, and it works really well. And then moving on, because I usually keep these up here, is I have my wall of Quest headsets along with some Lego stuff. So we got a set there, and we got some more Lego here in my second base station, for those of you guys who are wondering where that was. But we have the Quest 3S, the Quest 2, and the Quest 3. And this is the headset that started the channel. My good old Quest 2. It sadly is dying, the battery's terrible, and both the controllers have stick drift. Alright, now we get to some of the more fun stuff. This is my random assorted drawer of other tech stuff I have. I have a spare GameCube controller in here, a tripod for a GoPro, a DSLR camera, which I haven't used too much. It's by Nikon. I haven't used it too much because I'm still learning how to use it. But if I ever do IRL stuff or like go to VidCon or something, this is what we're using to film that. But yeah, I mean, that's basically the entire setup. That's like everything I really use to make content. I want you guys to take a guess, all you Bone Lab nerds, take a guess at what this video is. The titles won't help you. It's just the map. Take a guess. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's a bit different from what I usually make, but you know, the people have spoken. I literally hit 11,000 subs today, which is crazy. So thank you guys so much for the support, and I will see you guys all in the next one.